Formal na ring idineklara ang lalawigan ng Aurora bilang isa sa mga lugar sa gitnang Luzon na may stable internal peace and security. Ito ay matapos lagdaan ni Acting Governor Renante Tolentino at iba pang kasapi ng Provincial Peace and Order Council ang Resolution No. 1 Series of 2024 nitong ika-13 ng Marso 2024 sa Capitol Compound, Barangay Suklayin, Baler, Aurora.
Napakahalaga po ng gawain na ito kung saan dinideklara natin ang lalawigan ng Aurora na under stable internal peace and security. Patuloy lamang ito na patuloy na pagsisikap ng ating lalawigan na mga natili at paypaan at katahimikan. Hinihingi ko po ang suporta ng bawat isa na panatili natin ito ng tuluyan na nating iwak siyang idinubay ang makakagawa.
Ayon kay Brigadier General Dennis Pasis, Assistant Division Commander ng 7th Infantry Division Philippine Army, na siyang nagpaabot ng mensahe ni Division Commander Major General Arnold D. Costello, ang deklarasyon ay resulta ng walang humpay na pagsisikap ng 91st Infantry Battalion, PNP, government agencies, non-government organizations, private sectors at ng komunidad sa Aurora para wakasan ang local communist armed conflicts sa lalawigan.
As the commander of the 7th Infantry Division Philippine Army, I stand before you today with tremendous pride, steadfast conviction, and optimism as we gather to declare the province of Aurora as a stable state of internal peace and security. This accomplishment was not easily achieved. It is a result of relentless efforts of our soldiers, the Philippine National Police, devoted government agencies, non-government organizations, private sectors, and the local communities of Aurora Province. Together, as one united force, we have played our role as stewards of peace, putting an end to the local communist armed conflict and paving the way for development in our beloved province of Aurora.
Pinuri naman ni DILG Monitoring and Evaluation Chief Larry Hernandez ang isinagawang deklarasyon na isang patunay niya na ang whole of the nation approach o pagtutulungan ng iba't ibang sangay at sektor sa lipunan ay malaking bagay sa pagkamit ng kapayapaan.
Peace is the greatest weapon for development that any person can have. The peace that we enjoy now, if sustained, will have magnified effect in our development and general welfare. Maraming salamat po at magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat.
Tinukoy ni Nika Region 3 Director Nino Anthony Balagtas ang focus military operations at law enforcement at development support na nagpabagsak sa kilusang larangang gerilang Sierra Madre noong taong 2021.
Through intensive intelligence gathering, we have facilitated surrenders and disaffiliations of leaders and members of the communist terrorist group, paving the way for local peace engagements and community consultations.
Batay sa resolution ng National Joint Peace and Security Coordinating Council, 5 barangay sa San Luis at 10 barangay sa Maria Aurora ang naideklara ng cleared sa impluensya ng communist terrorists sa pamamagitan ng isinagawang Community Support Program at Retold Community Support Program ng pamahalaan. Ang isinagawang aktibidad ay susog din sa deklarasyon ng Area Clearing Validation Committee ng Northern Luzon Command, AFP at Area Police Command Northern Luzon na nabuwag na ang KLG Sierra Madre sa Aurora.
Ito sa Aurora, ako si Rohar Biliwanag, ang inyong